Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can remove country code from the phone numbers. Let's say you have multiple numbers here with country code and you cannot remove that one by one. So we're going to use a simple method here in order to remove this country code. Let's say so phone number here is 1310-576-8456 and you want this in this form 310-576-8456. Now we're gonna use a simple formula to remove the area code. So the formula is equal to right bracket, then A, and the row is 2. So we're gonna write A2, comma, we want these numbers right now these are 11 numbers and we want them 10, so just write 10 bracket, just press enter. You see the area code is removed here. Now if you want to apply this on all these numbers, just select this cell and copy this from here, then select these and just paste. You see area code is removed from all the numbers. So that's how you can remove the area code in just a second from all the numbers. That's all for today. If you like the video, just like this video, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.